St Aloysius College Old Scholar Carmen Basilicata graduated from the school in 2000 and has had an extensive career in administrative law, regulation, reform and leading change. Carmen believes her education at SAC instilled in her the Mercy values, which have helped her to be an outstanding leader and citizen.
There will be unexpected turns and twists in this adventure of life. There will also be things that don't always go according to the plan that we've designed for ourselves. But you can be confident. Let the Mercy values be the torch that lights up the dark and illuminates the right path for you.
When I found out that I was one of the top performing students, I was kind of surprised, to be honest. I know that I'd put in the effort to get the good grades, but it was a bit of a shock because there were so many other people who deserved to be up there. I think that the range of options at SAC is incredible and that it gives young women like me a lot of opportunities to really pursue what I am good at and what I want to do and what I love.
When you really want something and it is meant for you, then the universe will conspire to help you achieve it. Not be resistant to change and try to make yourself better. I think you'll bring out the best version of yourself and you'll feel proud of yourself when you're done.